Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add a phone number on your OnlyFans account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you right now on this video. First of all, go into your Google browser and search for OnlyFans to log into your OnlyFans account. Now log into your OnlyFans account, and after that you'll be on the home screen or home page of OnlyFans. Now go on to My Profile. After that, click on Edit Profile. Now here you can see an option for account as well. Click on Accounts. And here you can see an option for phone number. Go on to Phone Number. And now you can add any phone numbers of your choice and also choose any country that you are currently on. And now after inputting your phone number, click on Save and the phone number will be saved on your OnlyFans account. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for your review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.